Welcome to the Gulfstream G4 fuel system review. This section focuses on the aircraft's fuel system and is presented in a clear and concise manner in order to help you easily memorize each question and answer for your check ride. Let's begin. What might cause the illumination of a red fuel press low CAS message? Both fuel boost pumps for that engine switched off with the crossflow closed, fuel pressure at the inlet side of the high-pressure fuel pump less than 15 psi, or a fuel leak. How is a fuel imbalance corrected using the crossflow valve? By opening the crossflow valve and turning off the fuel pumps on the light wing. What are the correct indications during the fuel quantity indicator test? Left, 7,000 pounds, right, 7,000 pounds, total, 14,000 pounds, amber left, and right fuel level low CAS message. Where is the fuel hopper located? In the inboard portion of each wing tank. Fuel low level warning is provided by low level sensors, which are installed where in the wing? In the fuel hopper tank. Where are the electric fuel boost pumps located? In the main wheel well. What is the function of the pressure fueling static port located under each wing? It provides a reference pressure to prevent overpressurization of the wing during fueling operations. How are the main fuel shutoff valves checked during the pre-flight walkaround? Verify that the valves are open by physically checking that the red valve position indicator is in approximately the 7 o'clock position. When and how is a fuel quantity update performed? Hourly, using data from the FQMS. On FMS Performance Init page 5 of 5, perform a delete to line select key 2 left. What are the electrical power sources of the fuel boost pumps? Left and right main essential DC bus, left and right alternate right main DC bus. How much fuel is remaining in the hopper when an amber left or right fuel level low CAS message appears? Approximately 650 pounds. What is the capacity of each fuel hopper tank? 190 gallons. What is the maximum standard fuel load? 29,500 pounds. However, more fuel can be added provided the max ramp and max takeoff weights are not exceeded and the loaded airplane centre of gravity is within limits. What is the maximum fuel imbalance? Varies with aircraft weight. Reference chart in the QRH, section EF. If a main fuel boost pump should fail, will the alternate fuel boost pump automatically turn on if selected off? Yes, there is a boost pump auto-change feature. If you are powering the aircraft with the HMG only, what components of the fuel system will be available? Left and right main boost pumps, crossflow and intertank valve. If an engine fire handle is pulled, where is the fuel shut off? At the boost pumps in the main wheel well. The engines should run without boost pump pressure up to what maximum altitude? 20,000 feet. If two boost pumps fail on the same side, how would you keep the fuel balanced? By opening the intertank valve and using a side slip, nose of the airplane toward the heavy wing. How are the hopper tanks kept full? By the use of flapper valves and ejector pumps. Where can fuel quantity indications be read? On DU Never 3 engine instruments display, on the standby fuel quantity indicator, and on the fuel synoptic page. What is the difference between fuel temperature and engine fuel temperature? Fuel temperature, found on the fuel synoptic page, is the temperature of the fuel in the left hopper. Engine fuel temperature is the temperature of the fuel as it exits the engine oil cooler. What does the CB light in each boost pump control switch indicate? The respective circuit breaker on the PDB is tripped. What is the maximum fuel imbalance at 55,000 pounds airplane gross weight? 2,000 pounds. What is the maximum fuel imbalance at 61,000 pounds airplane gross weight? 400 pounds. What is the maximum engine fuel temperature? 90 degrees Celsius. Fuel temperature up to 120 degrees Celsius for a maximum of 15 minutes is permissible. What is the minimum engine fuel temperature? -40 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching PlaneBook Audio. Like, subscribe and turn on your notifications for more in-depth aviation system guides. Have a topic in mind? Drop it in the comments. Fly safe and keep climbing.